Okay, ACP problem number 9. Function F is graphed below, and there is function F. What is the range of F? Okay, we know from earlier that whenever we're talking about the range of a function, we are talking about its y values. Y values, that's what we're talking about. So the range of a function, at least a discontinuous function, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about the y values. Okay, let me switch it up. So, what are the y values what y values are actually represented on this function? Well, if we look at the y values, we're talking about the y-axis. And there's nothing going on. If we start on the y-axis, nothing happens until we get to -3. So if I can just draw a line there, and let's see how I like it to be red. Okay, see? So let's draw a line here. Make sure that that's not exactly red, is it? All right, well, let's see. All right, let's see. So let's draw a line here that starts there. Starts at -3. Oops, the function stops at +3. But notice that there is an open circle here. There's an open circle at +3. But at -3, there's a closed circle. So that means this red line represents the interval of all of the y values that are represented on this function. So how do we exactly write that? So we can use interval notation, and we can say that the y values start at 3. I need see, they start at actually -3, and they are y values, so they're range values. If there was domain values, it'd be x, and they stop at 3. But they don't contain 3, so I'm not going to say less than or equal to. I'm just going to say y is either y is between -3 and 3, but it includes -3, but does not include +3, and that is the range of this function. Oh. Yeah, and that is the range of this function.